It's not easy to find a place on Earth where man and nature have a better way of coexisting in such a placid way than here at Ndol Bay. The two tiny harbors have created different habitats where the fish are sheltered from storms and predators. The outer harbor is roughly 1.5 meters deep, and it's here that Callochromis macrops build their volcano-shaped nests that erupt from the silty floor. Each male macrops defends a large area around his nest, but allows other species to have their nests nearby, such as the aulonocranus. The nests of both species are sometimes so close that the slope of the macrops volcano occasionally descends directly into the aulonocranus bower. This creates tension, but never serious fights. The relationship between males of the same species is much more violent in spite of having a much larger distance between their nests. A male that can assure that no other male of his own species lives nearby leads a far more peaceful life. Having neighbors has its advantages. In this case, the macrops and the aulonocranus cooperate in chasing a young Callochromis away. Although their nests are very different, both species seem to use exactly the same technique to build them. They get a mouthful of silt nearby and slowly release it while swimming across the nest. This pale blue fish with long ventral fins is an ophthalmotilapia, and the ranking of his species hierarchy doesn't allow him to have nesting ambitions in this area. This is an even more unwelcome neighbor, an Altolamprologus fasciatus, a predator of young fish. The purpose of these nests is to attract females and persuade them to lay their eggs inside the bower. Due to the shape and depth of the bower, the aulonocranus releases milt above the bower and waves his body to fan the milt downwards, where the female is laying her eggs and picking them up with her mouth. Envy is a common personality trait in this area, even among different species. The aulonocranus female is laying her eggs at the bottom of the bower below the floor level, and that provides her some privacy that the macrop's nest can't offer. Outside the premium real estate area, males are much more desperate in mostly vain attempts to persuade females to use their nests. As small as the outer harbor is, it is still divided in 3 different habitats. The premium ground is the open silty area. This middle-class area holds patches of tall aquatic plants. Schools of mixed species that include females carrying their eggs or fry, and subadult males wander mostly through this area. The least valued ground is precisely an area completely covered in vegetation. Schools of young Callochromis scrape the surface of the leaves of aquatic plants, mostly in the outskirts of this area, and don't venture too much inside. Females carrying their fry are a common sight in this harbor, as are predators of small fish. This harbor provides a secluded haven for many fish species. They just need to watch out for propellers.